Welcome to part 2, guys. I did a lot off camera because my camera died, but I got the engine away from the transmission. So now we're going to pull the engine out. And how I'm going to do this is I'm going to take the whole front end off the car, take all this off, use the truck, the Blazer, to pull the engine out. So let's get to it. I finally got the engine out of the car. After tearing up the front of my car, I finally got it, as you guys can see. Now, I'm gonna do a little cleaning up in here, like cleaning up all that. And I'm thinking about taking the transmission out too. But I don't know, if an engine come with the transmission, then I'm gonna take the transmission out. If not, then I'm gonna clean it up, clean up the area and stuff, put some cleaning stuff around it, get these wires straightened out. We're gonna have to get a new water supply right here, and another one I have to get too. But oh yeah, look at it. It's awesome, right? Look at that. Got the engine out, but this is the engine. That's what you get for a blown engine. So, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Sorry that the video wasn't two-part of me taking the headers off, but look what you get. You get this. Sorry about that, but this is a rebuild of a 2007 Dodge Charger. So stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.
Over there, hold on. Oh, boo at the bumper! Oh, the truck been in its first accident. Oh crap, boo it.
Turn left. Yeah, slowly. There you go.
No more
All right,
accidents.
stop. Go a little bit. All right, stop. Push it back. Don't do that. Stop. Go forward now.
Ooh, and I think you better drive.
Because
You ain't trying to tear the front off.
trying to be tall. That's easy. I got that. Where I have parts? Man,
All that muscle left downstairs,
this thing heavy.
that long muscle.
That's a mule.
You's a mule, you crackhead.